front of me is OPPO A6 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can change display refresh rate. Start by opening Settings and scrolling to hit the display and brightness available here. Now scroll again and this time click on Screen Refresh Rate. Following that, you need to tap on one of those in order to apply it. Auto Select, Standard or High. Let's go with High, so I have to click on it here and go back. When I do that, as you can see, screen refresh rate of my OPPO has changed. Personally though, I wouldn't recommend to always go with high, because it will not only drain your battery power much faster, but also it can heat up your smartphone. I usually go with Auto Select. Most people miss though that if you wanna set up high, you can scroll all the way down and tap on App Specific Refresh Rate. This way you can tap on any of your apps and pick refresh rate to it. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!